snow we have. So much storm last night. Huh? Is Leela there? I don't know. Go ask. After the storm comes the fun.
Yeah, I want to go to the pond after this.
You want to go to the pond?
Huh?
You have to ask Daddy.
I don't want to go to Costco. Let's just go to Walmart and get batteries.
Look at this.
Okay.
Oh, look at the snowbank. Oh my lord. Can't even get it through. It'll take hours to shovel the whole snow out from the house.
Going. Whoa! I'm having fun.
Oi! How do you stop that? Snowstorm. What kind of shovel is that, Destiny? Hardworking, eh, Destiny? Tired yet? Huh? Is he tired yet? You gonna try that one? Huh? Gonna try that one? Where you going? Mommy? Cho mấy cái xạ này mà đòn.
Mommy, hold it.
Wait. Let me go down first.
Okay, I can't.
Ahí está, ahí está, ahí está. Yes.
I don't want this helmet.
You have to wear it because it's a protection. It's for your hat. Protect your hat. If you
Wait, Daddy. Wait, wait.
I don't think I can pull you.
Dad! Dad!
Right here.
it's very steep. Okay, go. Put your foot up.
No, I can't.
ป่าด้วยทลายคนกัดอยู่
I'm not wrench in the paint.
You have, where's the brake? Where's the
Right
string?
here.
Okay,
But
now
I
you put,
can't put my feet. I won't slip.
okay, get off. Get off. There we go. That's it.
Don't do that. You're gonna break your leg. That's what that thing's for. You put on your brake.
Vì thông cái tia đó chẳng. Okay, try right there. Sit down. Let's say sit first. Sit. And now put your leg inside. Yeah, like that. So
No, like
why is it so
this.
hard?
And then
Okay.
I push this.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's a break.
Where's Daddy going?
He need to go somewhere. I don't know where he going.
I want
Because you give him a hard time. Go. Go. Come back. Let's say go get the other one so you can slide right here.
I want you to help.
Go.
Yeah, I can't do it back ways.
can.
No, I don't want to.
Come on.
I'm a girl.
Yeah, you're a girl, but still, you gotta learn how to do it yourself.
Head.
No, that hurt. That's need the ice. The snow is like ice. It's not like fluffy snow anymore.
Oh. Mommy!
Hmm?
No!
You have to wait for Daddy. Go get your other one. Come on, let's go.
Problem, man. You don't understand brake?
You have to put on the brake, Destiny.
I heard.
Okay, Mike.
Brake! Kom hier depan!
There.